Hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. First of all, I want to say happy new month, happy April. We are starting a new month today. We are in the fourth month. Oh, sorry, hold on. Okay. Hi, sorry. We are in the fourth month. Hi, sorry guys. So we are in the fourth month, and today I want to talk about hair tutorial and how to take care of your hair. So honestly, I just got my hair washed today. I put some braids. My hair has been growing very long, and I'm going to tell you what I use to grow. All right, so I'm going to talk about what I use to grow my hair. So I use this Revlon pressing comb. Okay, I use this. I remember I talked about this in a video not that long, and yeah, my hair's been growing because every single time when I wash my hair, it just wets and it never dries. And honestly, I use this comb to comb for knots, and when I'm washing my hair, I comb it out and everything like that. So I'm gonna show you the products that I use. Honestly, today I use my shea moisturizer shampoo coconut. Smells delicious. It has instructions at the back. So if you want to like find out what this thing does, you can use this. And of course, I use this condition, the old time condition. Use this. So if you guys are interested, I'll put these two in the description so you can check them out. And I use this Cantu moisturizer. So I use this to take care of my natural hair. And my hair has been growing, and it's been, I would say it's a good journey. I actually love it. It's nice. It's very long. I just braided it. So here's like the back. I don't know if you could see this, the back of my head. And yeah, this is how my hair is. I just greased some of this in my hair, and you don't need a lot of this, but because my hair is so enough, I put not too much, but I put enough sometimes. But yeah, guys, this is how I take care of my natural hair. Yes, and another thing what I've been learning is learning how to part my hair, like maybe not great, but parting my hair and putting stuff in my hair. So yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. You know, this is how my hair looks like right now. I just washed it, so I'm leaving it this so it doesn't dry. 'Cause I don't like leaving my hair out unless if I feel like leaving it out, and it looks very good. Okay, so yeah, guys, other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you would buy, if you guys are interested in this. This is very good for pressing hair. And ever since I've been pressing hair, the front of my hair is very long. So like these ones and like these, they're like very, like this is very long. That one's a bit short, but most of my hair at the front are very long. But yeah, I really love taking care of my natural hair. No matter what a person might think, oh, I don't like taking care of my natural hair. And if you are somebody that has like hair like me or thicker, then you know what to do, how to take care of it. And honestly, if you want your hair to grow, the reason why my hair grow, my hair like I trim it sometimes. Like I have a picture. Let me show you the picture, guys. Yeah, guys. So this is my hair. How I just used to press the this comb with. I use that, and it looks amazing. Yeah, amazing. So yeah, guys. So let me pause for a second. But yeah, guys, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, how to take care of your natural hair. And if you guys are interested in these products, I will put them in the description so you guys can go and try them out with your hair. I use these products based on like what the product does. And what I'm telling you guys, ever since I've been washing my hair, like because I have a type of person with like 4C hair. I have, first time my curls will be like very, very small. And now my curls are getting a little bit more bigger. So if you have like, if you want to know my type of texture, I have 4C hair. So that's the type of hair texture I have. And yeah, that's what I have. But other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. And if you got tricked, you got tricked. I got tricked today. But you know what? You know what? The funny thing about me, about when it comes to April Fool's Day, is like you just laugh it off. Okay, but other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and what you guys think about my hairstyle. I know it's not the best hairstyle, but I just washed it because you needed it, you know. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. And I'll see you guys on my tomorrow's vlog, okay? Bye.